person who has been shot has passed on. The reasons are not clear for the person who shot, but it is alleged that the suspect is attached to Capital Patrol Security Company Limited.
Well, yesterday, the 29th of October 2024, was a war day. Terrible war took place in Lira between the civilians and the Indians, and also police also got involved in the incident. What happened? A security guard killed a man allegedly known as Street Kid, that the person has been a street kid, shot dead. And the security guard says, the manager of the security guard or the supervisor says, the person who shot the person dead found him stealing some properties from them. I think the property belongs to Indians, or one of the Indian businesses operating in Lira. Lira has been having cases or issues with the Indian community for so long, and this is something that is now concerning and needs steps to be taken to stop this kind of incidents from happening. Business community expressed disappointment because businesses were paralyzed. No customers or reduced customers were the ones witnessed in Lira City.
My name is Odiek Emmanuel, the operation manager, Capital Guard and Patrol Limited, Lira. Well, about the company, Capital Guard is legally registered and licensed to operate within East Africa, and so far we have all branches within Lira, Kampala, Kawempe and other districts within Central and Western Uganda. In a special way, on a sad note, I want to inform you what has happened this morning. I had a call this very morning that one of my security officer, I have got involved in an incident whereby he was operating as first usually at the supermarket within Lira City, and besides he was trying to move within the area of his operation, and all of a sudden he got some problem with his machine, whereby he incidentally shot the person dead as I talk right now, and the dead body is right at the police castle right then. Besides, we'll be taken to mortuary. So I want to clear the ground that the guard has never shot the person. The suspect never shot the person dead right intentionally. And literally, what we do, I have to come in that place of scene, and then I talk now. We are trying to clear and sort out a few things. This is little that I can give as of now, but other investigations are yet to go, and we keep you more updated as well.
I'm called Dennis. I'm running a business for plumbing department, so we are facing challenges in such a way that because the customer is not coming today because of the issue which has taken place. Feel good because the business is down. Since morning I've not made anything. If the business was okay, by now I would have made like a 300 to 400,000. The problem is you see, this street kid, they're the one making problem. That is the way I've seen, because they're stopping them, but they cannot accept what they're telling them.
Some residents warn that if this incident is not mediated, it will reach a point when Lira City or the community of Lira City will not be stopped by any amount of force or security to attack the Indians if they don't stop this kind of incidents, because some of the community members believe that it is the Indians who are on the wrong side. They say much as the boy was doing this kind of thing, the boy was not harmed, so there was no call for pulling bullet to kill that boy. In the past history, there has been the similar rivals where Indians even killed some people in Lira, and the incident brought a lot of chaos in Lira City. Now Indians are on the verge of pushing so hard. The president of Uganda himself has accepted already to make Indians become one of the tribes, something really shocking many Ugandans, and something which by no doubt will be a very big step to the destruction of Uganda, because one of the world's most racist human beings are the Indians, and that's no doubt. A matter of fact, it is known that they don't even accept intermarriages with the black people or the African people. So this is something which took place in Lira, unfortunate, and we hope Lira settles. Thank you.